Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's topic could be the key to breaking through financial stress and stepping into abundance. This isn't about overnight riches. It's about retraining your mind to think, feel, and act like someone who naturally attracts and manages wealth. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with someone who you know wants to grow financially. You never know who might need this message today. Let's grow together. So let's begin at the root of all lasting change: your mindset. In today's topic, we look at the various steps we can transform or rewire our brain for financial freedom. Now that we understand how mindset sets the stage, let's explore the science that makes change possible. We will have a quick look on the science behind how the brain functions and operates, neuroplasticity. Now here's the science behind how the brain works. Neuroplasticity is your brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. This simply means that you are not stuck with the brain that you are born with. You are not doomed by past failures or current limitations. Every time you shift your focus from fear to abundance, from doubt to action, you simply carve out new neural pathways. With repetition, your thoughts become your default. Think of it like building a new trail in the woods. The more you walk it, the clearer it becomes. Now let's dive into the essential steps you need to follow in order to rewire your brain into attaining financial freedom. How do we actually rewire our thinking? It starts with facing the beliefs that hold us back. Step 1. Identify and break limiting beliefs. Let us start with the junk that we need to remove. They sound like, I will never be rich. Money is hard to come by. I am just not good with finances. People like me don't get ahead. Sound familiar? Well, in order to rewire your brain, you need to step out of this by identifying these beliefs by writing them down, asking where they come from. Was it your parents, past failure, a traumatic event? Flipping the script by replacing them with empowering thoughts. For example, instead of saying, I am always broke, you can say, I am learning to grow wealth every day. You don't have to believe the new belief 100% at first. Keep repeating it. Your brain will catch up. Once we identify the mental blocks, the next step is to replace them consciously and consistently. Step 2. Repetitions plus affirmations that actually work. Let's talk affirmations, but not the fluffy kind that you whisper without meaning. We are talking about the emotionally charged daily affirmations backed by visualizations. Here's how you can do it right. Say them out aloud each morning. Look in the mirror. Own the words. Speak with emotion. Like it's already true, here are a few examples on how you can do this. I am attracting new opportunities that increase my wealth. I manage money wisely and confidently. Every dollar I earn is a reflection of the value I give. Pair that with 5 minutes of visualization. Imagine checking a growing bank account. See yourself investing confidently. Picture yourself in your dream home or paying off your parents' debt. This is not fantasy. That is training your brain to seek and recognize pathways to make it real. But affirmations alone won't cut it. You need daily habits that anchor your new mindset into action. Step 3. Install automatic wealth habits. Affirmations are the mindset. Habits are the proof. Learn to build some daily rituals that will support your financial success. Here are a few simple steps, but powerful rewiring habits. Track your spending every day, not once a month. Do this on a daily basis. Awareness is power. Save automatically. Even if it is $5 a week, it helps in building discipline. Invest consistently. Even if it is micro-investing with apps, just start. Read 10 pages a day. Choose books on money, mindset, and wealth psychology. Create instead of consume. Spend more time building value. It could be content, side hustle, and products. Doing this instead of just scrolling mindlessly for hours could be the difference. Remember, action is what seals the mindset into your identity. Now let's zoom out. Beyond your actions, who you surround yourself with also shapes your brain. Step 4. Control your inputs plus curate your circle. Your brain is constantly being programmed by what you see, what you hear, what you see, and who you spend time with. Here is how you can do this. Audit your inputs. Are you watching content that makes your wealth feel achievable or impossible? Are you surrounded by people who talk about possibility or complain about inflation all day? Here's how you can upgrade. Follow creators, mentors, and communities that normalize wealth and growth. Join Facebook groups, Discord servers, or masterminds that focus on financial literacy. Replace 30 minutes of Netflix and music with a podcast or audiobook on money and success. Remember, what you consume, you become. With strong habits and the right environment in place, there's one final shift that opens the door to true abundance. Step 5. Gratitude plus giving equals mental abundance. Here is a secret that many people overlook. The fastest way to attract more is to appreciate what you already have. Gratitude activates abundance in your brain. And abundance brings peace, clarity, vision, and better decision-making. Practice this on a daily. Write down 3 things that you're grateful about financially. Thank yourself for every smart money move that you make, even the small ones. Give whether it is $1 or an hour of your time. Giving rewires your brain to believe. I have more than enough to share in that belief. It's magnetic. Before we conclude, let me share a real-life transformation story. A friend of mine, let's call him Malik, grew up in poverty, believing money was never enough. He carried shame, stress, and doubt. But one day, he made a shift. He started journaling his beliefs, listening to financial podcasts daily, saving $20 a week, repeating affirmations like "I deserve wealth." Fast forward to years, Malik owns a small business, has a growing investment account, and teaches others about financial mindset. He didn't get lucky, he rewired. And if Malik can do it, you can too. Now let's wrap this up with quick action. Rewiring your brain is a daily practice, not a one-time event. But if you commit, it gets easier and eventually automatic. Here's your simple 5-day challenge. 1. Write down 3 limiting beliefs and reframe them. 2. Record yourself saying 5 affirmations and listen to them every morning. 3. Track your money spending, saving, and small wins. 4. Listen to one money mindset podcast. 5. Give anything to anyone. Drop a comment if you're taking the challenge. Right? I'm rewiring. If this video helped you, remember, share this with someone who's ready for a financial breakthrough. Your future self is already proud of you. Keep showing up. Keep evolving. See you in the next one. Peace.